Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! If you've been following the channel this past year, you know I made quite a few videos about the Oculus Quest 2 and various accessories for it. My family and I have been having a lot of fun in VR this year with our Quest 2, and I've been contemplating giving one away for a while now so that at least one of you out there can experience it too, because watching videos about VR on YouTube doesn't even come close to what it's like to actually be in VR. Then the thought hit me,
why not give one away for Christmas? It's the perfect time of year to do it.
So I ran out and bought one, and now here I am to tell you about the channel's Christmas giveaway. I know I'm a little late getting this giveaway started, but better late than never, right? As you know, I am going to be giving away one of these to one of you. But that's not all I'm giving away. Along with this 128GB Quest 2, I'm also giving away all of my favorite accessories to go with it. Since the stock head strap kinda sucks, I'm including a Kiwi design upgraded Elite head strap like this one here, which is my favorite head strap for the Quest 2, by the way. A VR cover fitness facial interface set like this one, and a set of Kiwi design controller grip covers like these, only in black, with the battery door on them for quick and easy battery charging or replacement. If you're curious about any of these accessories, I've placed a link in the video description, and there's a card popping up in the upper right of your screen right now for a playlist of my reviews of each one of these. As for how to enter the giveaway, in the video description you'll also find a link that will take you to a Gleam page, and there you can enter the giveaway. As for the rules, the giveaway is open to anyone 13 years of age and older, and I know there are going to be people that aren't going to like this next part, but it's only open to people that live in the United States. I'm sorry, but I'm a small channel, and international shipping is a bit tricky. There are some countries out there that don't even allow you to win stuff, so people that live in those places can't legally participate, and then for the countries that do allow you to win things, there are import duties that have to be paid, which means you as the recipient have to pay a tax to accept the prize you won, and if you, the winner, cannot afford to pay that tax, well, then the stuff either gets seized by your government or gets sent back to me. Then, of course, there's the whole cost of shipping things internationally. It's expensive, so for those reasons, I've chosen to keep it to US residents only. I know it sucks, and I'm sorry, but that's what I'm doing. Also, if you've won giveaways from me in the past, I'm sorry, but you are not eligible for this one. I know the odds of that happening are really, really low, but I had to say it and make sure that it was understood. I can't require you to be subscribed to my channel, but I do ask if you're going to enter the giveaway that you be subscribed. Since I am giving away over $400 worth of stuff for free, I feel like subscribing to the channel is a small thing to ask. If you don't end up winning, you can always unsubscribe. But if you unsubscribe, then you won't get notified when I upload sweet new videos, or when I do other awesome giveaways like this one. Entries for this giveaway began as soon as this video went live at 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on December 17th, 2021, and will be open until 11:59 p.m. on New Year's Eve, December 31st, 2021. Sometime on New Year's Day, I plan to draw the winner and contact them via the email address they provide with their entry to the giveaway. The winner will then have 48 hours to respond to that email and claim their prize. If the winner does not respond within the 48-hour window, then they will forfeit their prize and a new winner will be drawn who will then also have 48 hours to respond. And if that person doesn't respond in time, I'll keep drawing a new winner until someone claims the prize. So go now and tell all your friends, your brothers and sisters, your dog, your cousins, your aunts and uncles, your mom and dad, your grandpa and grandma, your co-workers, and maybe even your boss to watch this video, subscribe to the channel, and enter the giveaway. Because who knows, if they win instead of you, maybe they'll give it to you as a reward for telling them about the giveaway. Or at the very least, give you visitation rights and let you come over and play it every other weekend and on holidays or something. I wish you all good luck and a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah, I know. Very Merry Christmas. It's super cheesy.